Yeah. Oh my god, I think it's working finally. Okay, hold on, I just need to pull up the chat for Twitch. I just want to monitor it. You know what? I'm just gonna start working on what this is supposed to look like when he's shooting his gun. Oh my god, I think it's working now. Okay, we gotta put the chat pop out for this guy. Screen kind of looks like shit on Twitch. Yeah, I think it's working now. Good enough. Okay. So I've got the bullets. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start connecting up the HUD to this guy. So let's go to app. We're gonna include the UI now. Get off. It should be loaded. Jesus. It took 19 seconds to compile that JavaScript. I need a more powerful computer. Ooh, awesome. Thanks for the follow live coding. Okay, let's see what the issue is here. I go into something, just so you can see this. I'm saving. I think this is because I've got like OBS running, and I've got, what else would be doing this? Maybe just because I have Twitch open and Restream. I think that'll help. 21 seconds. Jesus Christ. Okay. Fuck it. Let's just get this going. So what I'm going to do now is, I don't think I'm going to do this thing right now, but I do want to wire up this. You know what? The data I do have is the health and the score. So I'm going to wire that up right now. Hey there, Jenny. How's it going? You sort of caught me just after some technical difficulties. Good to see you again, too. Let's see. I'm gonna hide this modal. How do I do all this? I don't even think it's in here. I think it's, yeah, I think it's here. Okay, let's cut this up into components. UI, components, containers is what that would really be. Let's do, I'm gonna call this the settings modal. Oh. That's where this would go. This is going to be under HUD. We're going to call this Yeah. Trying to get better with React, and so you're witnessing some learning curve in the making. Just a heads up. I didn't realize this, but if you want a really good looking game, it's really expensive. I'm having to figure out how to make stuff a lot cheaper, or not cheaper, but um, what I'm doing is just too expensive, and there's got to be another way. And I think I've got to start learning how to draw. Is what part of this is. Oh God, what was this called? Hard ammo. HUD settings. This would be called HUD settings. Oh, actually, this should have been called button. There we go. This is going to be called. Oh yeah, for sure. I should be watching over there. What is HUD inventory? Weapons inventory? You know what? I want to hook that up too. We're going to get 3 things going here. There we go. Does that look better? So let's get the first thing rolling here. We're going to import. Man. Son of a. Digitally imported. Why are you breaking? Okay. Music was breaking down. Jenny, does that look any better? Yeah, this is pretty good. My friend showed me this guy. Where's that, Usually live coding tweets out at some point. Ah. There we go. Okay. Just gotta tweet out, you know? Okay, so we're gonna call this guy, we're gonna call this the game container, game UI container. And so what I'm doing here is cutting down, this is too loud. So we need a container for everything so that I'm not really interacting with this main UI bit. So I'm going to import the game UI container from, this would be called UI container, game UI container. Perfect. Okay. This is all I need. This bootstraps the thing, and now this is, oops. I can't. I have to delete this thing first. fantastic. Just fantastic. Okay, export default. Ooh, no, this is gonna be a class. Hold on, I need to pull up some examples. I use these examples on the side just so I can quickly reference creating React.js stuff. Makes it really simple to get, what do you call it? To just like start making stuff. So we're going to import, we're just going to copy and paste. There. Okay. So this is actually going to be called Game UI Container. Get rid of all this. This is not going to have any prop types. Return. No. Render. You know, I'm kind of liking this font size actually. Might just keep it this big. Fun fact, I get LASIK on the 7th of this month. 5 more days. Tiki. What? Are you having a freak out? Do you poop on me? Here we go. I've got a cockatiel with me. It's part of what I do. Okay. You can thank Andrew for this playlist. We're going to call the first one, we're going to import HUD. So this is it. That's all you need to do for this smart component, quote unquote. It's a container. Everything else is going to be like a, it'll be like a dumb component kind of thing. Just functions. Yeah. Hey there, Rex. How's it going? I don't have it up right now. I've destroyed the game at the moment because I'm building out the UI for it in React. But it's Ranger Steve. It's like a intense platform shooter. Component. There we go. Okay. So the first thing we're going to add into this, the first bit of HUD, I'm going to build would be the score, the ammo. God, it doesn't matter. It's just like I have the health already done in Phaser. I have the score done in Phaser, so let's just do health. Oh, you know what I should do, actually? We're going to import like this. Cool trick Andrew showed me, actually. HUD, no. HUD, health. HUD, let's just do this one first. And then over here, we need to do an index.js. And here, excuse me. I just got over the flu. It was not fun. Man, I have to remember. So we're gonna export like this. Okay, so let's convert this stuff to, we need dumb components for this stuff. And we're gonna make simple functions for these things. HUD, I'm in health. HUD health, it's a function. The properties are going to include, let's just call it health. return and that's really all there is to it. Oh, there's errors in the project. I have to go through and do a bunch of this for everything else. Oh. Oh. There we go. Health is going to be prop types dot string dot is required. This should actually be a number. A number is required. And then we need to, I don't need to type this out. There. So let's just copy this real quick. This is good enough. Oh. No. Yeah. Can you guys hear the music at all? Not gonna deal with that at the moment. You can stay there for now. Score. This will be the other one. Ah. HUD score. That is also a number, and this becomes score. Okay. Our settings button. This is going to become on. I guess we're just going to call it on button click. Boom. Okay. Weapons inventory. And I don't know what this is going to look like. Oh, this on button click is actually going to be a function. So something really easy that I could do right now is just simply toggling the modal, the HUD modal. But we're gonna wait. No, actually, oh, there we go. I've already got that done. Okay. Oh, shoot. This needs to be default so that I don't have to wrap everything in those brackets. Leaderboard, health, HUD ammo. So we got HUD ammo, the leaderboard, the score, ah, jeez, I still feel like I'm drunk from last night. Ugh, is that a bad thing? Tiki says yes. Well, I need to check Asana or my task list. Task list. What the F? Asana, what are you doing? I don't want to do this right now. I don't want to do that one. I want to get all this other stuff done. There we go. And this is more like there we go. Okay. Um, let's see, what else? Add leaderboards as part of the UI. This is part of both. Okay, this is good. So that way. Oh man, I need water or food or something. Ugh. I feel all shaky. HUD score. All right. Could not. Should probably be called containers and so right now I'm not able to find. No, it is now. Let us see what our game stuff looks like. Uh-oh. What in the world? Export default. This is why. God, this one always freaking gets me. I don't know what the hell that is. Don't care. Oh, come on. Rebuild. Give it a second. My build time is really slow right now. Oh, wait a second. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, I hate that about Atom. God damn it. It keeps you editing an old version of the file after you delete it. Or like, if you still have it open in Atom, it doesn't indicate that to you at all. It's just like, you're just editing that file at that folder, instead of it updating to like the new folder name. I don't know. I don't fucking care. Let's see. Still having this issue. What in the world is going on now? One second. So we take it out. Add it back in. Oh, there. It's up here now. Ugh. That's kind of frustrating. Okay. So it's likely to do with this somehow. I don't know what the problem would be, but somehow I'm pretty sure it's... Oh, it's because of this. Export default. A pain in my side. Come on. Ugh. My build cycle takes 11 seconds now. Must save resources. There. 12 seconds to build my JavaScript. Fantastic. Oh. Here we go. Let's try this. Wait, no. No, you don't add default to this. I want to use braces. Not here, but when accessing my HUD. Yeah. We're going to turn on starting to come together. This is HUD score not defined. Man, that build time is a bitch. I gotta find like a phaser loading. Ooh, I gotta add that loading screen right here. When is this? I don't want to go through that. That's unnecessary. Here's the boot file. Resources for preloader. So then on create, on load start, on load complete. Alright, not necessary. Let's move on. I think I need to make this way smaller. The HUD is really kind of big. Ooh. And when you click on it, nothing happens in the game, so that will likely cause an issue. Which I'm not going to deal with right now. Yeah, Jenny, yes I do. I have it online, if that's what you mean. Well, but it's not really put together, so I've got to, I don't know what you call it, but I'm not showing it to anybody right now because I'm still building it, but I will have it online. Alright, so we're gonna and it's not and it's definitely not open source by any means either. Okay, that's what I thought. Event emitter on so this is gonna go inside component did mount, and this is gonna be so what we're gonna do is emitter dot on health update. Ooh, look at that ES6ness. Emitter on score update. And then oh, this would be just score health. This dot set state. Oh, there. Shortcuts, people. Then what? Then what do we do? I don't know, but I keep talking to myself really weirdly. Event. Geez, I don't know how to. How do you? How do you include something? Or how do you import an event emitter with a hyphen in its name? All right, this is what I'm looking at. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to use this thing. Oh, duh. God damn it. Idiot. Or... Okay. Okay, I'm done with... I gotta get something else going here. For Twitch streaming. Oh, brother. Oh, God. I'll deal with it. Can you guys even hear the music? I feel like it's too quiet. There. Okay. That's running correctly. We're going to check to make sure that this did not break. Emitter is not defined. Come on. Build. Build it. I hate this song. Yes.
Vi sitter här i väntan, spelar lite Dota. I feel your vibe. Vi sitter här i väntan, spelar lite Dota. Pushar på och smeker, när motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i väntan, spelar lite Dota. Springer runt och creepar.
Oh boy, I'm using this wrong.
Vi sitter här i väntan.
Building the JavaScript. Alright, what we got? Module.exports. Return O. So this is like a function. Starting JS. Let's see what it returns. An object. Damn, what does that mean? I wonder if this is what I'm supposed to do. Oh, wait a second. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, hold on. This is supposed to be, I'm using it wrong. That's why I'm having these issues. This emitter is equal to emitter like this. And then you do this dot emitter. Kind of unnecessary. No, I'm supposed to store like the listening, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Get rid of this guy. Bam. Okay. let's go into the game now. This is going to start out at 100. This will start at 0. Or this will be. This will actually never really be a number. It will be a string. Make you mine. Oh, baby, can't you see? Oh boy. Oh shit. This has to be a shared object between these two things. This event emitter. Oh man, this is gonna be some ugliness. What do we do? What do we do here? You're on my own. Wait for you to come. Part of you. So what we have to do in my bed. Event handler. Oh baby, why don't you see? Okay, so what we're gonna do is copy all of this stuff. This is gonna become more import event handler from event handler. I'm gonna have to like build my own state at the top of this thing. This is gonna be really intense. Shit, how do I get... So I've got to get this event handler, and I've got to get like some sort of state. Gone. No. Oh my god, Tiki. Hold on 1 second. Oh, Tiki climbed down my leg. Either Arcadia. See. Damn, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I have to have some sort of... Hold on 1 second. Okay, and I'm back. So everything's coming from the game. Yeah, I just go for it. There we go. Oh. That doesn't actually matter, but there. Stop. Stop it. Oh my god. I need like a supercomputer to make all this work. There's a good chance I'm actually gonna have to like build a computer for myself, because a lot of this stuff I'm doing is just so intense for this poor MacBook. Okay, where's the text? Here we go. Okay. This is going to become... we're not going to use this anymore, but I want to keep it temporarily. Okay, health update. No. Keep you for now. We go up to the top. We're going to do let event handler. We're in core. I do. Yep. There we go. So we're going to search this for .text equals weapon text. That is going to change completely. Oops. There we go. This is going to become emit health update. Just like that. Yeah. This really needs to go in there. There we go. All right. Update that. When it emits a health update. And then what? find more of these. Score text. There we go. Alright, so these positions are wrong now. If I'm in socket events, I need to go... Oh, I only need to go up one level, actually. I'm here. On update. Same thing there. On Yvonne player respawn. Yes, that's good. Lib. I'm good here. We're good here. Oh, oops. Not what I meant to do. Where are you? There we go. Okay. Wait. So I'm in the containers folder, UI folder, lib. Bam. There we go. Event emit is not a function. Oh shit. Let's see what this is. Cannot set property of undefined. On line 78. What? Well, it's probably because this is broken. Yeah. I may be looking for a different way of updating this if this doesn't work out. Default, what? What's going on here? Oh. I wonder if it's that. Unexpected token in event handler. Line 5, export So am I supposed to... It's probably because I'm mixing... I'm probably going to have to refactor this whole thing into like an ES6 setup. Yeah, there he goes. Okay. Ah. Yeah, so I'm going to have to convert this whole thing... Oh, hey there, Rex. So I'm sort of making the mistake here where I'm using both like the old ES5 module dot exports with ES6 stuff, and really I'm gonna have to just I have to convert everything to ES6, or I'm gonna have an endless surge of bugs everywhere. So on update, so it's like I don't really want to do this, but I'm gonna have to. Already done. Okay. Woo. Okay. Number, that's wrong. What is this? Invalid prop score. Oh, Jesus. Number or string, like, it doesn't matter. It's just... Oh, here we go. This is what I want. So this can be just like that. Boom! There we go. Hey there, Andre. Andre. Blah. Yeah, I swear to God, this stuff doesn't, like... I gotta, like, stop, go, and then restart it. You know what I could do? Oops. Alright, let's try this. My health? What is up with my health? It's not doing it right. Oh, here we go. I think I just fixed it. Yeah, check that out. 0, 100. So, check it out, it works. My score updates, my health updates. Alright, you can see over here the health updates. That's pretty fucking cool. Why make default? I don't know. But so we connected the health, the score, and then I have to get. Okay, we're gonna commit this real quick. Updated. Look at all them changes. Yes. Oh, I think I've mixed in some stuff too. That's awesome. Okay, I'm happy about that. I've got to find. There's a polygon in here that I need to get rid of. I don't know where it is. There it is. Okay. A polygon. There. Okay. So, what I want to do now is shit. Let's add the weapons inventory. And this will be this dot current weapon. Number 1 will be the AK. Jehovah Guard's going. Hey there, CA2. What's going on? You just missed our triumphant HUD connection. Oh, shit. It was extremely triumphant. Triumphant. I'm going to activate you. It is required. It's going to be a number 1. Oh. Boom. I wonder, let's just try this. I'm going to try and get all of these just... If I can just get them to export, then I don't have to do any more work on that portion of this application. Alright, that works for me. Well, did it work? I think it worked. Yeah, I think it worked. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure what's going to happen with this HUD is I'm going to move it into the bottom left corner, top left corner, and the bottom. I don't think I'm going to have it floating like this. This is kind of, it's a waste of space up here. But we're going to deal with that later. So, how the hell do you tell if something's active? Let's do, let's just do this, and we're going to go into our SAS HUD, there. Where's the new file? There. We're going to do, this will be HUD. Love to get that CSS as close as possible. Weapons, inventory. Just like that. I don't need you anymore. We're gonna do Pegasus. I don't really want to listen to that. Alright. I don't even think you guys can hear the music. That's okay. HUD, weapons. this color. Rename that. Yeah, there we go. Ah, come on. There we go. Okay. So first things first, I guess. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go bottom 0. Border radius becomes just like that. Move it down. PHP reject. I like that. That's almost literally what I am ever since going into JavaScript. Okay. I mean, actually, I'm not liking the way that this looks at all. It doesn't match. Hold on. We gotta go to Pinterest. I love this color scheme. So what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna grab some of these colors here. Background, let's just do this. Active, what does active look like? Oh, okay, here's a question, guys. Do I keep it all together at the bottom? Yeah, probably. But let's just see what it looks like. That's pretty cool. But it's got this cool border. I'm wondering if I just make it this dark color and then give it a 2 pixel. Yeah. Let's grab this. Just like that. That's looking good. That's looking really good. Okay. Was that like 5 pixel border radius, I think? This isn't necessary, actually. We'll do the last child. Look like this. Oh my God! Stop, Adam. I hate that functionality so much. I don't ever use the I think where you select multiple lines, and it happens by accident all the time. There we go. That's starting to look really nice. This guy could stand to move over like 2 pixels. Yeah, there we go. That's looking really good now. My glasses are filthy. Jesus. My glasses broke last night. My lens fell out onto the concrete and everything. It was so bad. Okay. That is starting to look really good. Let's get that gold color. Yeah, here we go. That looks really good. So these guys have a border. It's actually like 3 pixels. I'm not sure if this is making it better or not. I'm not super convinced on it right now. I don't think I like that at all. I feel like that's way better. Hey there, Pedron Nasser? Pedron Nasser? Okay. That's good enough. What I want now, though... Actually, this needs to be 0. Let's see. Okay, so... we need to detect... So the thing that I'm trying to do now is have like an inventory of weapons, essentially. And... what are the number... how many weapons do I have right now? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. I have room for like 1 more. I think I'm just going to keep it like that for now. So what happens is, as you kill people, this is supposedly going to unlock weapons as you kill people. And you start out with the AK-47, and you'll go into like the sniper or something, and And the very last one is going to be like an RPG or a M79 or something like that. But I'm only going to have like 10 weapons. And you have to earn them while you're fighting other people and the wild buffalo. The wild buffalo invasion. So right there's the... You can't... I don't know if you can hear it very well, but that's the AK-47. That is the Barrett. That is the Desert Eagle. That's like an M4A1, I think. This is like the M249. That's an MP5. This gun is under development. It's a shotgun. And then we're back to the AK. I'm probably going to get rid of the M79 or something. I don't see it working out very well. Or actually, if I use the M79, I wouldn't have to adjust my character. Oh, but the RPG would look so much cooler than the M79. Oh well. And it's easier to get a sprite for. So now what I need to happen is when I push these buttons, I need this to change. So we're gonna do... Likely what's gonna happen here is we're gonna end up with a render function. Render weapon slots. Like that. And then we're gonna get ourselves a... slot numbers equal this array, slot numbers dot map. Take this slot, you filthy slot. Okay. Render it like that. Really, this guy should be like this, because that will never change. And then, so it's going to render them now, but class names. There. So in theory, number 1 should still be highlighted, but it should be highlighted because the current weapon is number 1. But I just realized I don't think I updated it. Also, it didn't work. Why? Because I did not return anything. Okay, but I don't think this is gonna work quite yet. I think what we need is on weapon update new what is it? Call this current weapon. Yeah, always start at 1. And then when I am in update, when I'm up here, I don't have the event handler in update at all. That's weird. Gonna have to add it. Why isn't this working? Oh, unexpected token. Something on line 11. What's wrong? What am I doing wrong? Class name, that's why. Okay, joke's on me. We still have a... Okay, so... On line 11, position 17... This right here, there is a unexpected token. What am I missing? Like, if I do this, does anything change? Nope. Oh, it's so weird. And if I remove it, it goes away. So something I'm doing here in my ternary statement is not working. Let class names... What? Let's try this. I'm not sure what was wrong with that. But this worked. I don't... That's really weird. I don't like not understanding why this wasn't working. Yeah, look, now it's back again. Oh my god, I'm an... God damn it. I'm an idiot. JSX. God damn it. Yep, there we go. JS compiled. Woo! There we go. Oh man. My computer is dying so hard. Hey there, Alexa. How's it going? Well, I guess it's working now. Whatever. Okay, phaser on number key down. I didn't think so. So what does this do? Ah. Oh, that wasn't helpful. So I need to detect um, one. How do we detect one? The number one. Dot A. You know what we could try? Oh! Oh, freaking sweet. Is all thank you, Chrome. Okay. We don't want F1. Oh, we just type out the numbers. That's awesome. Okay. So we need to go to create now. Input. Okay, so I'm going to call this weapon controls. This is going to be this dot input dot keyboard dot add key phaser dot keyboard. This dot next weapon. I have oh shoot. How I register weapons is all messed up. Right now, it registers them by name. So if I tried to do this, I'd have to know. Oh no! Oh, look at that. It's all positions. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So, what would happen here? So I can write, so on down dot add. There. So when this happens, we want this dot. I have no idea. Oh, okay, okay. So this dot current weapon is going to become the number 1. Or 0, actually. Oh, and I'm pretty sure that's all I had to do. So then this becomes emit weapon, weapon, update, and we're going to use the number 1. This one, right here. So for this, 2, they push number 2, we go to position 1 in the array, and then I need to go into React, or into our UI, game UI container, on weapon update, set state, boom, perfect, okay. This might work actually. So I push 2. 2, 2, nothing. You know what? I wonder. Do it like this. Function. Yeah. So we're gonna try this. Come on, JavaScript. 8.75 seconds. Fantastic. So I'm pushing the keys and nothing is happening. So this is not right. I'm probably gonna have to go into the update. Or how did this guy do it? Oh. Okay. So this dot input 1. This is like just an awful way of doing this, but it's what I'm going to do for right now. Okay, so this dot input 1 is equal to keyboard 1. Now, if I go to my update function, and then we go down, let's just push our way down. There. Now, if this dot look what I'm doing here. If check this out. I totally forgot that I did this. Okay. I'm pretty sure if I do this, let's just try this. Because I'm pretty sure all I have to do pretty sure it's as simple as that. I'll wait for this massive build script to finish. Okay. 2, 1. Nice. Okay. I wonder, like... Look at that. Like, if you just hold it down, will it get all messed up? I don't know. So we're gonna do this dot weapon or current whatever. Okay, so this dot current weapon is equal to 0. Is equal to 1. Event handler will then emit an event of weapon update, and the new weapon will be 2. Yeah, because this needs to follow the keyboard. This needs to follow the array. What is... Nope, not there. Create.js. Ah, oh, come on. Yeah, look at that. Woo! You can now switch weapons by using the keys on your keyboard. That's pretty freaking sweet. I'm gonna disable this, and so what happens? Okay, whatever. I don't know what happens, but let's go to is down. So tidy up the current weapon. Call all reset. Set all exists false. If current weapon is greater than 9, okay, so we have a little bit to do here. Let's try that. Let's make this set weapon. New current weapon will be that. This is going to so we've got to have like a weapon reset, I think. Activate. No, this becomes a new weapon. Reset the current weapon. Set the new current weapon. This current weapon is perfect. Or you know what? This should be like at the top. And likely it should just be like, that doesn't matter. Okay. Reset current weapon, activate the new one, like that. And then update. We take this guy. No, it doesn't need to do that much. So let's get out of that. And then we're going to do this dot set current weapon to 0 to 1. Hey there, Sean. Glad to have you with us. Sort of caught us in the middle of a what do you call this? I'm gonna call it a triumph because now I can switch weapons, even though this is a little ghastly the way that it is that it's written. It's what you have to do. I'm sure I could check this in a loop or something, but this is the way I can think of. This is the only way I can think of right now to do this. 7. Okay, so this sets the current weapon to, what do we have? I guess it would be 9. This goes to 0. So that would be 9. You'd be 8. 7. 8. 6. 7. 6. 5. 5. 4. Oh, 4. This would be 4 and I hate the way this. I hate what this is doing to my brain, making me feel weird. There. Listener is a required param of add and should be a function. Oops. Oh, it's not done. I think that's happening because I had leftovers. No, it's still happening. Listener is a required param of add Oh no, I want them to be able to fire. I don't want... Oh, this. There. Okay, once this builds, it finished. Oh my god, come on. What is doing this? Oh, line 137. Okay, that's not there anymore. There we go. Slow build. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah! Ah! I don't think 9 exists. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 0 and 9 don't exist right now, actually. And it's broken. So let's do I'm out of coffee. Okay. I'm going to fill in all the blank spots with the MP5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. I can now switch guns. Oh man, that's sweet. Okay. I think it needs a little separation there, though. I don't like how it's not, this. Actually, I kind of just want a darker version of this. If I could just make you darker. Something like that. Whoa. For some reason, Command 0 resets the size of the font in your editor. So it's not changing that at all. Yeah, whatever. Let's just save this. Okay. So added support for selecting weapons via numbers. Nice. Nice. So we set this up. Gotta do those two. This doesn't do the whole. This is missing a whole bunch of functionality at the moment. I might not even really need it, to be perfectly honest. This might wait, actually, because it's not necessary to the gameplay per se. The leaderboard, yeah, I want that. Actually, we can do the leaderboard really quickly. Via let's see, how would we do that? Every time someone's killed, the score changes. So let's fix these guys real quick. Let's fix the coloring on that real quick. Go into HUD. Go to the score 0, 0. I want the HUD items to be like that. I want the border radius to be 5. What did I do? Oh, no repeat. Okay. Background. There we go, starting to do it. This does have a box shadow. So you're up in the corner now, and we're gonna remove that for the time being. HUD health 0, 0. And then we're going to do border radius 0, 5px 0, 0. Welcome back, Rex. What do we go? Top left, right, bottom right. I think it's this one. Yeah, there we go. All right. That's looking real good now. Okay, let's bring the leaderboards online. We're going to add leaderboard, just like that. And then this game looks more like a sketch. It is actually. So right now, the artist behind this map is coloring it, and he's making it into like a real map at the moment. It's just taking a very long time because the map is kind of big. But as you can see, there's a lot to color, and there's a lot to program. So like what I'm doing right now is I put it in the background, and I'm just trying to like program over the sketch because he's vectorizing it and adding colors to it. Once he's done, hopefully it'll all just be good to go, is what I'm hoping. So I'm gonna start. Yes, he can jump. He double jumps right now. I've got a double jump. And that may, I don't know. So what I was thinking is either I'm going to have a jetpack, or I'm going to do like a Call of Duty Advanced Warfare where you jump and then your exoskeleton, not going to have an exoskeleton, but it does that jump sprint thing to do that it does. I don't know. Yeah, man. I kind of just started this game, but I have the artist making the first map that I'm going to debut the whole game with. And once he's done with that, like I have a lot of the mechanics down, collisions, I have multiplayer based on this room ID right here. So if you want to join with your friends, you just share this link with them. And the idea is to sort of play like Soldat, but have the ease of playing like, I don't know, Gario or something. I'm just trying to make it really easy to have a LAN party on the spot with your friends. And this is super basic right now. I have a ton of stuff I want to add to this to make it a lot more fun, but I have to get down the basic mechanics. Otherwise, everyone's going to hate the game. You know, so it's a matter of time. Most people work on these games for years and years and years. But I'm trying to get an MVP done, and I'm experimenting with whether or not I even like. I'm experimenting with whether or not I even like game development, and so far so good. But we'll see how far it goes. So we need to return. Oh man. I don't have any of the nickname stuff set up at the moment, so everybody is going to be listed by their ID. I didn't realize this at first, but man, there is so much graphic work to be done. I underestimated how much of that was actually involved, and no, it's expensive. Let's just say it's expensive to develop graphics that are original. So I'm some of this stuff I'm going to end up buying from like Graphic River and eventually replacing it with custom artwork. But holy shit, custom artwork is expensive as fuck. I did it wrong, actually. I should have given the artist like a little preview project, but I ended up... I asked these artists, instead of like, make me something small so I know like what you like to work with, and instead I was like, here, just go for it. You do this version of this huge project, and you do this version of this huge project, and you know, a bunch of money later, I've got really good stuff, but it doesn't match, and only one of the artists has what I actually want. But it all cost a bunch of money. We'll see though. This is supposed to be an array. Let's see. We're gonna do hey there, Dallas. What's going on? Set a new event handler for players update. Players. Why isn't it showing yet? Shouldn't this be showing? Render. Oh, there we go. What else do I need this to do? I think that's it. Boom. And there I am. That's awesome. We need to update the styling to match the rest of the UI. Oh man, if only you could hear my laptop right now. God, why don't I have any music going? You know, I wonder if I should... Do I even need rounded corners? Yeah, it makes it kind of feel like a game. I'll keep it now. Let's see. Top left, top right, bottom left. Nice. There we go. Okay. Let's bring someone else into the game. Boom! List all the players in the room. It should only do a max of 10 players, though. It should never do more than 10 players. So we're going to do... how do you shorten an array to trim an array? No. I forget. How do you shorten an array? It's like slice. Java's... Begin. I want you to begin at 0 and end at 9. So sliced players is equal to players.slice 0, 9. Nice. Alright. That's cool. So what we are going to want here is actually sorted players, because we're going to want sort this is going to be player, and we're going to return player. Oh, actually, I think it's like, I'm pretty sure this is actually A and B, and then return A meta score is greater than B dot meta score. It's actually something like that. And then now I should have a sorted leaderboard, is what's supposed to happen. Nice. Okay. So, my name is QGP. QGP should stay on top. I did not. Okay, I've got 3 games going in some other windows. Four. Ah, I've been having this issue with cleaning up the room. If someone leaves, sometimes it doesn't catch it. And then I'm just stuck with this like blank player in the room. So look at that. I'm in here twice for some reason. God damn it. I'm in here twice. Hold on. We're going to restart. Restarting Node.js. Ah! Damn it. Maybe I have like another game going on somewhere. Okay, hold on. Oh, but also, just so everybody sees it, connect HUD leaderboard. Yes, sir. Good job. Good job. Oh, I gotta plug in my phone. It's dying on me. Yeah. Okay, starting up Node. Boom. Okay, so I'm in here now. And what is my XY5? I'm XY5. Okay, look at that. That's perfect. So now, scores 2. We're gonna... Three, 4. Yeah, it works. That's fucking cool. Okay. I think the server just has to be like, if I'm not keeping track of the people coming and going very well, I have to restart the server completely to fix it. Because it's like I can't detect if someone is in or not. I don't know how to fix that. Because I had the same ID. I don't know how to fix that. We'll work on it later. I'm so happy I got that working though. What do you guys think though? Should I have just square corners on this stuff? Or should I keep the rounded 5 pixels? my bird. Hold on. Okay, so I don't think there's. Hold on. We're gonna look at something. We're gonna look at some of the artwork progress from the artists. I just want to see where they're at. Yeah, this is fine. This is quite expensive though. So let's see where Juan is at. So this is one map that's being made. Eventually I'm gonna have to learn how to make polygons and whatnot, but this guy's a really good artist. That's one. Federico is my favorite artist. Let's see what he's got going on. There's a bridge. Interesting. That's cool. Okay. So that's where like the artwork is right now. I think I need to tell one of the guys to pause because I don't think I'm going to be able to afford everything that he's doing. Freaking expensive. Come on, where? Ah. It's annoying. Okay. Connect the ammo. This is up in the air at the moment. This is not necessary to the game, but it makes it really nice. And it's just that it's gonna be like a pain in the ass to make. It might not be that bad. Might be able to do it. Okay. So we have a settings. This I'd really like. Updating the settings. But I don't know. I don't know which one to start with. Ugh. God, okay. So we did this. And this and this go hand in hand. That settings button should open this modal. Choose character. This is not pertinent right now. But I need a nickname, and I need to be able to change the sound effects. So we're going to get rid of this guy. Alright. Shooting, guns, and violence. Okay. Let's get this button to just open up the modal. Oh, God. I need to stand up for a second. Back is killing me. Been doing this for a while, for like 2 hours, I think. Okay. I want to take off. I don't know if I like that or not. Alright. Enough lollygagging. Let's get the, oh, well, actually, here. Should commit and push. Added the leaderboard. There we go. That's pushed. That's backed up now. We're gonna import the HUD settings button. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this one. I'm your friend. Because the settings button. So in the state, settings modal open false. And then I need a handle settings button click this dot set state. This is what connecting a button to open up a modal in React is like. Handle. I always want this one. I always want this to open. So, on button click, this dot handle settings button click, and then we need to bind the correct. Okay, so the button is bound to the function now when they click it, and then when they click the button, it runs this, which opens the modal, but for some reason, this isn't. I don't know what's happening, but it's like not loading. Oh, on button click not specified. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I've got to update this color. Active, boom. Okay. Icons, db.com.